Hi friends, I thought I would record a quick tutorial for this app that I found recently. Over the past couple of weeks, I've been downloading and testing out a number of paced breathing apps, and this is my favorite for a number of reasons. First of all, it's completely free. Secondly, you are able to customize the length of time, the sound of the bells, the visual representation of your breath, breathing in, breathing out. And there are also several breathing exercises that are pre-programmed into the app, which is really nice. So once you've downloaded the app, you can just Google this breathe and then the name of the author of the app. Once you've downloaded it, you'll see the button on your home screen. Click on it to open it up. And let me expand here. And I think this is the first page, but I'm not 100% positive it takes you here. A couple things that I wanted to show you is if you want to switch the breathing exercise, just click on it there, and then you can see that there's box breathing, 1-2 breath, power breathing, which I haven't practiced with before, 4-7-8, and then what you can do is go into the program you'd like. And then if you click the three dots in the bottom right hand corner, you can change the length of the breath, you can change how long you practice for, you can also change the image that pops up, the sounds, the color, all of that. And so you just go back, and once you want to start, it's very obvious, you click start. Great. I hope you all enjoy, and let me know if you have any questions. Adios.